Alright, yo, what's up, guys? It's Dukes. We're doing trade recaps Tuesday, May 6th, 2025. No fucking trades taken today again. Starting to think I can't even trade. A lot of conditions were set in place. Pre-market actually just took out all the liquidity. It seems like that's what pre-market likes to do. It just takes out all of my draws, and then 10 a.m. does some fucking bullshit. So I might just start waiting for 6 a.m. I don't fucking know. But yeah. We're at the B&B right now in Miami. 0 trades taken, bro. I need to take a trade. I need to smack something in Miami. I'm on the balcony right now. Highest floor. I'm literally the highest here. Anyways, top-down analysis. Looking at the daily, I want a bullish week, so I was expecting either Tuesday or Wednesday to make low of week. I think we already did that. We were tapping into this already mitigated daily fair value gap right here, but on the 4-hour coming into the session, I wanted these 4-hour lows to get hit. We swept out that sell side, and we ended up making SMT right here with ES. As soon as that happened, I said, okay, there's no more reason for me to be bearish throughout the rest of the day. We're basically at EQ of this larger 4-hour range, so I really didn't want to see price go any lower, and I definitely don't want to see it go all the way down here to 19,100. So if there was no reason for me to be bearish, I'm just going to flip my bias to bullish. As you can see right here at 10 a.m., we ended up sweeping out this liquidity right here and tapping into this already mitigated 15-minute fair value gap far away somewhere over here. Although we did get a 1-minute CISD out of it, the fair value gap was already mitigated, so the trade wouldn't have been as valid as some other ones, but this was a really good 10 a.m. open up lower, sweep liquidity, making an internal SMT and an external SMT as well. And so this would have been a really good long to take all the way up to London and Asia high up here. We have an SMT with Asia right now, but yeah, throughout the entire morning I was actually looking for, throughout the entire morning I was looking for continuation to go higher to London and Asia. Like I said, I completely got out of my mind that I wanted to see any sort of bearish price action more to the downside. So I was looking to take a continuation off of this 15-minute breaker or this 15-minute fair value gap. Neither of them got tapped into, and they still haven't, and price already ran to TP. Although I do think we made low of day and we made low of week, so I will be bullish for the rest of the week. I think FOMC will send us up higher, and my target going in for the rest of the week is going to be 20,536, and that is, I believe, a daily buy side target right here. So that's what I'm going to be aiming for. I was bearish coming into this session, but I immediately flipped my bias bullish as soon as I found this SMT at the low and the sweep of liquidity from there. That's what I was aiming for, but like I said, pre-market took it out, so I reacted to the data, flipped my bias, and just wasn't able to get an entry inside of this 15-minute breaker or fair value gap, but it just happens. Not even a 5-minute retrace either. So just, a day that if you caught the bottom of this, it was really good for you. But like I said, this 15-minute fair value gap was already mitigated. So taking this 1-minute CISD, especially after we just kept dumping the entire morning. Especially after just dumping the entire morning and having displacement to the downside with really no retracements, I really wasn't comfortable taking that long there. But as soon as I got some confirmation that we wanted to go higher, like the CISD right here and this breaker being formed, I was ready to take a continuation to go long. But yeah, that's about it. I'll probably trade 2 p.m. But yeah, if you want to see more trade recaps, subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.